the conception of algebraic machines in 1889. While undertaking the Mount Pilatus ferry project in Lucerne, Torres Quevedo focused his attention on the mechanization of calculation using algebra machines. The problem that he proposed to solve was specified in his News on Some Calculating Machines, 1893. Any device that allows one to provoke at will a phenomenon whose law is expressed in an algebraic formula can theoretically serve to obtain simultaneous values of all the variables contained in this formula. But of course this theoretical truth has, in general, no practical value. It is not easy to produce a phenomenon whose law is the formula that is of interest to calculate, nor to measure its elements with sufficient accuracy, nor to make them vary within fairly wide limits, nor. Calculating machines can be classified into analog machines, if continuous variables are used, and digital machines, if discrete variables are used. Analog calculators or computers are calculating machines in which numbers are represented by quantities of a certain physical magnitude. These physical quantities can be of very different nature: lengths, displacements, axis rotations. In computers of this type, mathematical, algebraic equations are transformed into an operational process of physical quantities that solves an analogous, or analogical, physical problem, whose numerical solution, the measurement of the quantity of another magnitude, or of the only put into play, is the solution of the mathematical equation. In short, a mathematical problem is solved using a physical model. In this new area he will establish the methodology that will characterize all of his work. On the one hand, the conception, writing and publication of the systematic theoretical framework for the new machines of his invention, which would be reflected in his memoir on algebraic machines, 1893–1895, and would be submitted to the judgment of the Academy of Sciences of Paris and the French Association for the Progress of Sciences at its Bordeaux Congress. On the other hand, the effective construction of some first demonstration models that materialized his theoretical considerations.